We always believed the universe was predictable, but we were wrong. A new interstellar object has entered our solar system. Its name is 3I/ATLAS, and it is unlike anything we've ever seen before. When scientists traced its path back into deep space, they expected to find a quiet, distant origin. Instead, they found terror. Its journey leads to a region of destruction, a place where stars collapse, where planets are torn apart, where nothing should escape. Yet 3I/ATLAS did. This object doesn't behave like a normal comet. It moves faster than the laws of physics should allow. It is larger than we predicted, and it is heading on a direct path through our solar system. The question is no longer, what is it? The real question is, who or what sent it here? As each day passes, it gets closer. And the truth scientists have just uncovered may change the future of humanity forever. This is the terrifying origin of 3I/ATLAS. When astronomers first detected 3I/ATLAS, they assumed it was just another comet passing by. But when they ran the calculations, everything changed. Its orbit was wrong. Its speed was wrong. Its direction was terrifying. 3I/ATLAS is not coming from a calm region of space. It is arriving from a violent zone near the galactic center, a place filled with exploding stars, black holes, and forces that break the universe apart. No normal object should survive a journey from there, but 3I/ATLAS did. As scientists traced its path backwards, they found something even more shocking. Its trajectory is too perfect, too calculated, as if it was aimed directly toward our solar system. Objects from deep space usually wander randomly. They drift for billions of years, but not this one. 3I/ATLAS is heading toward the inner planet, on a path that feels intentional. And the deeper researchers looked, the more they realized this object may not be alone. Other similar bodies might be coming behind it, as if something or someone sent them. NASA's silence is growing louder, and every new observation is raising the same chilling question: what is really coming toward us? The deeper astronomers studied 3I/ATLAS, the stranger it became. Its surface is dark, almost invisible. It reflects almost no sunlight, as if it is designed to hide in the darkness of space. But then something unbelievable happened. The object suddenly changed its speed. It accelerated. No gravity source nearby. No explosion detected. It simply sped up. Normal comets cannot do that. Rocks do not change direction on purpose. But this object did. Scientists compared its behavior to the mysterious visitor called Oumuamua. But even Oumuamua never showed anything like this. 3I/ATLAS is larger, faster, more controlled, more aware. Dust does not behave like this. Ice does not behave like this. Nothing we know behaves like this. Every new calculation created a new fear. Is someone navigating it? Is this a probe? Is this an artificial object disguised as a comet? No one wants to say it out loud, but behind closed doors, that is exactly what scientists are discussing. Because 3I/ATLAS is not acting like a visitor. It's acting like it has a mission. As 3I/ATLAS moved closer, radio telescopes across the world picked up something unusual. A repeating signal. Not loud, not random, but structured, patterned, intelligent. The signal seemed to pulse every time 3I/ATLAS changed its speed or direction, as if the object was communicating or responding to something we cannot detect. Experts tried to hide the discovery. They called it interference. They blamed equipment errors. But the pattern kept returning. A code, a countdown, a message? Nobody knows. And then it became worse. Deep space monitors observed fragments, trailing behind 3I/ATLAS. Small objects, moving in formation. Not debris, not accidents. They hold the same trajectory, the same acceleration, as if 3I/a-TLAS is leading something, guiding a swarm, or preparing an arrival. What looks like a comet may actually be the beginning of something larger, something coordinated, something coming. And the most terrifying part? We still don't know why it's coming here. Publicly, scientists remain calm, but behind the scenes, concern is growing. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has become one of the loudest voices warning the world. He says 3I/a-TLAS may not be a natural object at all, because natural objects don't choose their trajectory. They don't change velocity without a force. They don't hide their presence. Kaku believes this might be something far more advanced, something created by intelligence millions of years ahead of us. He warns that if 3I/a-TLAS is artificial, then its arrival is not an accident. It is an event, a planned moment in cosmic history. According to Kaku, the universe is full of civilizations, some peaceful, some curious, but others may not be friendly. And if 3I/a-TLAS was launched from a region near a supermassive black hole, then whoever sent it has mastered technologies we cannot even imagine. He raises one final question that keeps scientists awake at night. Are we about to meet the reason humanity exists? Or the reason it ends? For months, NASA tried to treat 3I/a-TLAS as just another interstellar object, a routine discovery, nothing unusual. But then the update stopped. No new public data, no press conferences, no explanations. Silence. Inside NASA facilities, access to information about 3I/a-TLAS was suddenly classified. Astronomers working on the project were ordered to remain quiet. Why? What changed? Whistleblowers revealed that 3I/a-TLAS is altering its trajectory again. But this time, the shift is bringing it closer to the inner planets, closer to Earth. Simulations show that even a small adjustment could redirect its path entirely. And every adjustment so far has been precise, intentional, controlled. NASA knows more than they are telling us, because whatever 3I/a-TLAS is, it is acting like it has a destination. And that destination might be us. If 3I/a-TLAS is artificial, then every defense we have means nothing. We cannot warn it. We cannot communicate with it. We cannot slow it down. We cannot stop it. Humanity has no technology that can intercept an interstellar object moving at this speed. Even our most advanced space weapons are useless against something that travels between stars. All we can do is watch. Astronomers now estimate that 3I/a-TLAS has been traveling for millions of years, which means whoever launched it planned this moment long before humans existed. We are not preparing for its arrival. It is arriving right on schedule. If this is a probe, then its purpose could be terrifying: to scan our planets, to measure our technology, to judge our potential. And if we fail that test, history has shown what advanced civilizations do. To weaker ones, we study animals. We capture them. We dominate them. What if we are the animals? High-resolution scans of 3I/a-TLAS have revealed disturbing details. Its shape is too smooth, too symmetrical, not jagged like a normal comet, not chaotic like icy debris. Parts of its surface appear metallic, reflective, engineered. Even more shocking, heat signatures show internal activity, as if something inside is powering it, guiding it, keeping it alive through the cold darkness of space. No natural object should have a warm core. Scientists tried to explain it: radioactive decay, odd mineral composition, some unknown physics. But every explanation fails, because the truth is obvious. 3I/a-TLAS might be a vessel, A machine wrapped in rock and ice, traveling through space with a purpose. If so, then whatever built it knew it would one day arrive here. Its journey was not luck, not a mistake. It is intentional. And the countdown continues. When astronomers pushed the calculations even further, a terrifying conclusion appeared. 3I/ATLAS did not come from a random point in space. Its path traces back to a region near a supermassive black hole, a cosmic engine powerful enough to bend space and time itself. That area is known for one chilling truth: nothing that enters ever escapes. And yet 3I/ATLAS did. How? Some scientists believed that the black hole was not its prison, but its launch station. What if a civilization exists on the edge of destruction, using black holes like slingshots to send their technology across the galaxy? What if 3I/ATLAS is one of those devices, launched millions of years ago, on a mission we are only now beginning to witness? Every calculation leads to the same final point: Earth's neighborhood, our planet, our species. We once believed we were alone, but objects like 3I/ATLAS are proving we may have been discovered long before we were ready. Earth is not special, not bright enough, not large enough, not powerful enough to attract a cosmic traveler by accident. Yet 3I/ATLAS is coming here. Astronomers now realize its trajectory has changed multiple times, each adjustment bringing it closer to the inner planets. And if its final path continues, there is only one target left: Earth. The timing is unnerving. Human civilization has only recently begun broadcasting radio signals, revealing our presence to the dark universe. We launched satellites. We created megacities. We lit up the night sky. We announced, we are here. What if someone heard us? What if 3I/ATLAS is the response? Not a greeting, not a message, but a probe sent to inspect us, judge us, or prepare something far worse. Because from the moment it changed direction, one horrifying possibility became clear. 3I/ATLAS isn't just entering our solar system. It's coming home. As scientists search for answers in the stars, historians have begun searching our past. And what they found is deeply unsettling. Across ancient civilizations, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, from Sumerians to the Indus Valley, there are drawings and records of mysterious objects in the sky. Long, dark shapes, silent, gliding, watching. The same descriptions, repeated across cultures that never met each other. Some carvings show a dark visitor, arriving from the heavens, followed by catastrophe, floods, earthquakes, extinctions. What if those were not myths? What if humanity has encountered objects like 3I/ATLAS before? Objects that come, observe, and then leave nothing behind. Every ancient warning now feels like a message. When the sky brings the traveler, prepare for the end. For thousands of years, we ignored those warnings. But now, the traveler has returned. And this time, we may not survive the encounter. As 3I/ATLAS approaches, its behavior grows even more alarming. The signals coming from it are increasing in frequency, shorter intervals, tighter patterns, like a ticking clock, a countdown. Every adjustment in its speed matches the change in those signals. It's not random, it's synchronized, planned. Astronomers are running out of explanations and time. If this is a probe, then the countdown has a purpose. A moment it is preparing for, a moment it was designed for. Some experts believe that when the countdown reaches 0, something will activate. Something inside 3I/ATLAS that has been dormant for millions of years. A signal back home? A release of hidden technology? A contact event? or something far more destructive. We can measure its distance. We can predict its arrival, but we cannot stop the clock. Humanity is waiting, watching, hoping, but hope may no longer be enough, because the countdown continues, and whatever happens next is coming faster than we can prepare for. The object is now close enough to be seen by powerful telescopes, and what they are capturing is beyond disturbing. 3I/a-TLAS is shedding its outer layer. The icy shell is breaking away, revealing something beneath it. Smooth, geometric, and not natural. Panels, lines, structures. As the surface cracks apart, more signals are detected, stronger this time. Almost like a voice, hidden in the noise. Scientists attempt to decode it. They isolate the wave patterns. They convert frequencies into sound. What they hear sends chills through the room. A repeating tone, too precise to be nature, too advanced to be ours. Every second, the object rotates, aligning with Earth, like a camera, locking onto its target. This is no longer a comet, no longer a curiosity. This is a machine, awakening, and its mission is about to begin. Governments across the world are now monitoring 3I/a-TLAS in secret. Satellites have been re-aimed, budgets quietly increased, warnings whispered through secure channels. But to the public, silence. Why? Because revealing the truth would trigger panic, fear, chaos. And yet the truth grows louder. Every day, every signal recorded contains a repeating pattern, a string of numbers that match Earth's exact location. In the Milky Way, our star, our orbit, our home. This object knows where we are, and it has known for a very long time. Maybe it is here to study us. Maybe it is here to contact us. Or maybe it is here to decide our fate. Scientists argue endlessly. Is it a warning? Is it a test? Is it a judgment? But there is one possibility they fear above all. What if we were never meant to find this? What if its arrival was supposed to stay hidden until the very last moment? We have discovered the visitor, but now the visitor has discovered us. Astronomers expected a silent arrival, a distant object quietly passing through space. But now something strange is happening in our skies. Bright flashes, sudden glows, auroras appearing far from the poles, magnetic disturbances spreading across the planet. Every time 3I/a-TLAS releases a signal, our atmosphere reacts. Power grids fluctuate. GPS signals distort. Communications flicker. It's as if the object is scanning us, measuring our technology, testing our defenses. Scientists have no explanation. None. Because natural objects do not interact with planets from millions of kilometers away. Only intelligent systems do. 3I/a-TLAS is no longer just approaching. It is engaging, observing how our world responds, learning, adapting. The sky is changing because something out there is watching, and soon it will be close enough to make its move. A global task force has now formed in secret. Scientists, military leaders, world governments, all facing the same terrifying truth: we are no longer observing 3I/a-TLAS. It is observing us. Telescopes locked onto the object show coordinated movement rotations perfectly synced with Earth's position and spin. Every city, every satellite, every signal we send into space is being studied. We are exposed. Panic behind closed doors grows worse with each update. Because there are only two possibilities left: either this object comes in peace, or this is humanity's first real contact with a predatory intelligence. We are a young species, new to technology, new to space, new to understanding what lies beyond our sky. And now, something ancient, something far more advanced has arrived at our doorstep. The world watches, the countdown continues, and humanity holds its breath, waiting to see what 3I/ATLAS does next. The moment scientists feared has finally arrived. The countdown reaches a new stage. A sudden flare erupts from 3I/ATLAS, bright enough to be seen from Earth. The object is activating. Signals spike to levels never recorded before. Every receiver on the planet captures the same transmission, a rising tone followed by silence. Then another tone stronger than the last, a heartbeat. Not ours, theirs. The shell around the object is now peeling apart like armor falling away, revealing the structure beneath sharp edges. Symmetry, technology. What we once called a comet now looks like a machine waking up after a long sleep. It has arrived at the final stage of its mission. And whatever that mission is, has just begun. The sky may soon show us something no human has ever witnessed before. Something we were never prepared to face. As the object awakens, every dish antenna on Earth points toward the same source. The signal is no longer aimed at us, but beyond us, out into deep space, toward the same region it originally came from. It's sending a message, a confirmation, a location, a status report. Like a soldier contacting command. For the first time, scientists decode one piece of the signal, a repeating sequence that matches the number of planets in our solar system. 8. It knows exactly where it is, exactly what it has found. Earth has been registered. Across the world, leaders gather in secret briefings, listening to the chilling translation of one decoded pulse. We are here. If someone out there receives that message, then they will know too. Humanity is no longer hidden. The universe now knows our exact position. We have been discovered. We have been marked. And the only question left is, what happens next? There is something else about 3I/ATLAS that NASA did not expect. Its rotation is slowing down, as if it is preparing for something. Objects in deep space normally spin faster over time, not slower, unless the internal mechanisms are powering down or activating a new phase. Astronomers detected brief flashes of energy coming from within the object, not reflections, not sunlight, but controlled emissions, like a machine warming up after a long journey. Some experts now believe 3I/ATLAS might be entering its operational mode, like a probe finally reaching its destination. After millions of years of silence, this isn't a rock. This isn't a lost fragment of a comet. This is technology, ancient, precise, and awake. If this thing was launched by an intelligence far more advanced than ours, then its arrival is not a coincidence. It is a scheduled event, and the time on that schedule is almost here. Across the world, intelligence agencies are now treating 3I/ATLAS as a potential contact scenario. Satellites are being repositioned. New classified communication arrays are pointed directly at the object. And still, no response. But something is changing. The frequency patterns from 3I/ATLAS are no longer random. They are evolving, repeating, structured, like a language slowly forming syllables, trying to communicate or to warn us. Every new data point makes one thing clearer. This object is following instructions, a programmed path, a predetermined goal. Some scientists now fear the worst, that Earth was always the destination. And if this is a message, then the message is becoming urgent. Humanity is no longer alone in the dark. We are being observed, evaluated, and judged. Whatever built 3I/ATLAS is watching. Then, without warning, the signals stop. Complete radio silence. Every telescope, every sensor shows the same impossible result. 3I/ATLAS has gone dark. No light, No energy spikes. No motion, as if the object has suddenly vanished from existence. But it hasn't. It is still there, just beyond our sight, hidden behind a field that bends light around it like a cloak. Whatever technology it just activated is beyond anything humanity has ever imagined. We can't track it. We can't scan it. We can't understand it. For the first time, Earth is blind, and the object is no longer just traveling. It is hiding. The question now is not, what is 3I/TLAS? The question is, what is it preparing for? Emergency meetings erupt behind closed doors. NASA, ESA, the Pentagon, every major world power, now scrambling for answers. Because the data reveals a chilling truth. 3I/ATLAS is changing direction. Not drifting, not falling, but steering. Its new trajectory curves gently toward the inner solar system, toward the sun, and directly across Earth's orbital path. This is not a coincidence. This is navigation. Experts now whisper the unthinkable, that 3I/ATLAS may be executed. The final stage of a mission, older than human civilization itself. A mission that leads straight to us. Whatever it is, it's not turning away. It's coming closer. And time is running out. But there's a detail hidden deep in the data. A discovery so disturbing that scientists debated whether it should be revealed at all. The direction 3I/TLAS is now traveling is not just aimed at Earth. It aligns perfectly with the position of our planet on a very specific date. A date encoded in ancient star maps. A date feared by civilizations long forgotten. Everything is too precise to ignore. The velocity, the angle, the timing. Someone or something knew we would be here. Knew our world would be waiting. Knew humanity would be advanced enough to detect its arrival. This is not a surprise visit. This was scheduled. And that realization changes everything as governments prepare for the worst. A silent fear spreads through the scientific community. Because if 3I/TLAS truly carries intelligence, then its creators might already know us. Our cities, our technology, our weaknesses. For decades, we have broadcast our presence out into the cosmos. Radio waves, television signals, the coordinates of our world. Written into space. We believed we were alone. We believed no one was listening. But what if they were? What if 3I/TLAS is the reply to a message we sent without thinking of the consequences? If this object is a probe, then the civilization behind it is watching every move we make, and Earth has just become the center of someone else's plan. Humanity is no longer asking, what is out there? We are now asking, what is coming here? Now the world holds its breath as 3I/TLAS continues its silent approach. Every sensor is locked on it. Every model predicts the same outcome. There is no turning back, no stopping it. Whatever this object truly is, wherever it came from, its arrival will change humanity forever. A signal from the stars, a machine older than our species, a mystery beyond imagination. We once looked to the sky and wondered if we were alone. Soon, we may finally have our answer. Prepare, because the moment of contact is near. This is just the beginning.